If you look at Chiefs' DNA, goalkeepers, they always had top. 1. 2, there was a number of Soweto boys that were in the team. I can make a mention of a lot of players, Sowetans.
Classy football.
Yeah,
Soweto.
they were
proper,
Namibians, hard runners, hard workers. Zimbabweans, go-getters, grafters.
Yeah.
Do you understand the culture of the team? That's the DNA of the team.
Strikers, go poachers. You get
Zambians.
2 out of 3 chances, they'll score 2.
Zambians.
Yeah.
So I'll take you Brian.
Yeah.
Rowan. Who was there before? Goalkeepers. And I'll take you through the Sowetans, the Cyril and Zamas.
Deshiba Tower. Right backs, left backs, they were just...
Yes.
Those ones that were just... Tiki-tikis, tens.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Come to think about
Sowetans.
Yeah.
There was, because they knew the culture of the team. How many Sowetans are in the team right now? I'll tell you. Zita, George Mato.
Vilakazi, is he from there? Is Vilakazi from there? Vilakazi from Soweto as well, right?
Yeah, they don't understand the culture of the team. They need to bring... How old was Tiki Tiki when he moved to Chiefs?
I'll be lying, but he was young. He was a teenager. Already he was a household Kokasi.
Yes. Superstar.
Superstar.
Exactly what this boy is going through, Vilakazi. But the mentalities are different. Do you understand? The mentalities are different.
Yeah.
The culture is different. Now there's more social media. Then there was no social media. About Tiki Tiki, there was newspapers. People would open up newspapers. Hey, Tiki Tiki, have a poster of him, you know?
When he plays Sunday League, the Stadium Kokasi.
Yeah.
Yes. Just to go see him play.
Listen, I didn't get the opportunity to see him play and play those games, but the stories that I heard, my man. That man was Michael Jackson in that place. Like literally Michael Jackson Komloi.